Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 21, data handling. So this is the activity type of question, first exercise. Data handling means we can write the data in a form of a diagram, a figure, or in a box. That is a data handling. So 21.1, that is the activity type of question. So how you will be do the activity? So that here is written days and then written footwear and then that is a column. This is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday means included a whole week. And then use shoes, sandals, and then chappals. And then how you will be fill this box? How you will be do the activity? Suppose it means he has given go to the shop and ask the shopkeeper to collect the information data required to fill the following table. You are going to, first of all you will go to shopkeeper and you will be asked how many shoes has sold on Monday. He will show 16 pair of shoes, and sandals that will be 18, and then chappals that will be 10. On Tuesday this data can be just changed like this, that will be 20, or this will be 16, or this will be 12. So on Wednesday that will be 8 only, this will be 10, this will be 15, this will be 15 pair of chappals. And then Thursday that will be 12, suppose that will be tell the shopkeeper, and then here 14, here will be 16, and then on Friday that will be that suppose 18, this is the 22, a chappals that is a 26. On Saturday that will be 4, and this is a 10, this will be 18. He will this information provided by shopkeeper. On Sunday that will be 52. Sunday is a holiday day, so that can be increase the shopping, and then this will be 60, or this will be 12 or 22, etc. It will be provided by shopkeeper. Similarly, this will be also box you will be fill by activity through, and then make your own table showing the number of vehicles passing through a road crossing the Delhi at a different time interval of the different day. Collect the data required to fill the table. So this one also activity type of question. So next is a pictorial representation of data and bar graph. So what the pictorial and bar graph you will be learn in exercise 21.2. So first multiple choice question, MCQ. In a school, data collected for various game play by the students are shown in the adjoining bar graph. Read the bar graph carefully and answer the following question. How many students play football? So you are looking, football is a red line, there is written 30, so 30 answer is right. How many students are athletes? So athlete you are looking, the last one, blue line, that is a 12. How many students play cricket? You are looking cricket, that is a 25. Which game is played by most of the students? Obviously football, because football building is highest. Next question. Data collected for the most popular subject among The student of classes first, second, and third are given below. Draw a pictograph and a bar graph separately represented the most popular subject of class second. So here we will draw the pictograph and bar graph also. Both things we will write here or draw here. So this is the just lengthy type of question. So first of all, we will draw the pictograph. So pictograph, how you will write, draw that. So that here we will write classes. Classes, and then let's say classes first, second, third, and then we will write subjects. 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 Okay. Now 55. You can choose the any diagram. You can choose the any type of diagram. Second question. Let one diagram is equal to 5. That is a draw the bar graph of the separately most of the popular subject of class. So 5 students. So that here is written 55. So that will be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then maximum is, yes, 11 will be maximum. And then just wait. We need to draw only popular subject of class 6th. Bar graphs representing the most subject popular of 6, only second class. We are writing only second class is that 50. Just wait. Here we will write the class. So that here we write the subject. Subject. We need to only second class. And then here we will write math. And then English. And then science. And then Hindi. We need to do only class second. This will be same. Okay. Here is class second. Class second. So math subject, how many marks got in this one? Math subject got the marks in second class 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because 10 5 ja 50. And then 35. 5 7 ja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 30. 5 6 ja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 30 again. So 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the pictograph. This is the pictograph. Pictograph. And then next is a bar graph. Bar graph. So this one also you will be write like this, a box. Oh sorry, 2 ray. This is the 0 point. So here you will be right. Maximum is 50. So 10 table. 5 table will apply here also. Because 35 is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 10. So that is a 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Or here you will be write the students. And here you will be write subject. So that first one is up to 50. So this will be goes up to 50. Or here you will write 50. Next is 35. So after one box 35 up to 35. Here you will write 35. Next is 30. So up to 30 you will be draw. Or you will be write 30. And then next is also 30. And you will be write the 30. And then in this column you will be write the maths. And next is English. And then next is science. And then next is Hindi. You will be write draw like this bar graph and like this one. Or here you will be write 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students, because we have written here table of 5. Next question, third. A family monthly expenditure on the various item in the show through the adjoining bar graph. Read the bar graph carefully and answer the following question. How much money is spent on rent? So rent is 2000 you are looking. Similarly, you are looking that 2000 rupees. 2000. How many students go on foot? How much money is spent on clothing and education? 1500, 1500. So that 1500 plus 1500 is equal to rupees 3000 spent on clothing. On which item maximum money is spent? Food. Third one is food, because food building is highest building. How much money is kept for miscellaneous item? That is money left for miscellaneous item only 500 rupees. 500 rupees. And then question number 4. In a certain school, the number of students using various mode transport in the adjoining bar graph. Read the bar graph carefully and answer the following question. How many students use cycle? You are looking 10. 10 students use the cycle. How many students go on foot? That walking, that is a 20. Third part is, which mode is transport is used by most of the student? Bus. Fourth part is, which mode of transport is used by the least number of students? Cycle. No, train. Train value is 5 they are given. This is the bar graph and pictograph. Okay.